A future is coming where a business centre is also an entertainment venue, where a new innovative library creates an urban living room, and an outdoor plaza becomes a meeting place where friends can shop, dine and play. The Green Square Town Centre is firmly focused on design excellence, creating truly exciting public spaces. This is the Green Square vision. The benefits to the New South Wales economy will be substantial. Commencing the Green Square Town Centre project will generate a total of $1.1 billion in construction activity alone. More significantly, government investment in the infrastructure for the entire Green Square development will act as a catalyst for further investment and development within the identified CBD to Airport Global Economic Corridor.